All employees of EagerLED Company gathered together and embarked on an exciting team-building journey. Our journey begins on the stunning beachfront, where a yacht awaits us to take us through the beautiful sea. Later, we came to a unique farm, where not only were there vast fields and fresh air, but there were also a variety of interesting outdoor games waiting for us. Among them, the Frisbee game became our focus, with endless laughter. Everyone was involved in it, sweating, releasing stress and enjoying happiness. In the game, we work together and encourage each other, which not only exercises our bodies, but also brings us closer to each other and enhances the cohesion and centripetal force of the team. This team-building trip not only allowed us to have a pleasant time, but also made us feel the strength and cohesion of the team. In the embrace of nature, we put aside the fatigue and pressure of work and gained spiritual purification and sublimation. Looking forward to the future, we will work together to create a more brilliant tomorrow.